welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Machine. Today we're doing Cup of Existence. Here we go. Sorry, I'm trying to do a little something while I'm at it. And shit. Give me 1 second. Alright, now here we go. Cup of Existence. It's like everything at once. I can't even. It's sweet. But then there's this bitterness. And then something sharp. It's all swirling together. It's so intense that I can hardly keep up. It's too much, but I can't stop. It's pulling me in every direction. How is this even possible? I don't know if I love it or if it's just too much. I don't know. What the fuck are you? I don't know if these words even exist. This is apparently called a marnish. What the fuck is a marnish, bro? Okay, so anyways, do you speak? Oh my god, yes you do. It's kind of meepy. I don't like that. Okay, that is the Cup of Existence. If you enjoyed this episode, please say to your friends video. Bye bye.